This could possibly be one of the most deceptive card tricks you've ever seen. A magician has somebody choose a card. He then instructs them to write their name on it. So this time we've got the 5 of hearts. The magician then explains that we're going to place your card second from the top, and with a little snap it should come all the way back to the top. Now we'll do that again. We'll place it second from the top, little snap, and somehow it comes all the way back. Now I'm going to do it one more time for you. If you watch carefully, you can see it really is going second from the top. That snap again should come all the way back. This time we're going to place your 5 of hearts around the middle of the pack, a little snap. As we go through, you will see that one card has completely changed color, but it's not just any card. It's your signed 5 of hearts. Now we'll place the 5 of hearts in the middle, and you can see the pack right from the beginning has always been red. Every single one is red except for, I'm only kidding, so is your 5 of hearts. Let's see how that's done. Yo, what's cracking everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's nice to have you here. I'm about to explain this really cool card trick. It's incredibly deceptive, and I've pulled the pants off so many magicians doing this. So do me a massive favor if you can leave a like on the video. It really does help out the channel, and subscribe if you are new here for really awesome content. And let's get right into the tutorial. So here is the explanation to this incredibly deceptive card trick. Deceptive because it's actually really simple. Here's why. You need a red double backer, okay, and you want a double backed blue and red on the other side, and you're going to have the blue and the red one on the bottom with the blue face up, and the double red backer on the top. So basically what you do is you have a spectator choose a card. So let's take out, we'll get a face card. Let's get the Ace of Hearts. That'll be a nice one. So they sign the card, okay. Now here's the thing, you actually are telling them that you're placing it second from the top, okay. Unlike when you're doing a false insert, catching a big pinky break and popping it in, you actually tell them, look, we're going to place your card second from the top. Now because of the double backer, you can turn it over and remove the card. That's what's so deceptive about it. And so what you're doing is you take the card, you say, look, I'll place your card second from the top. You keep it nice and flush on the top. That kind of sells the illusion as well. So you don't want to have a like a pinky break of doom, okay? I see so many magicians with these massive pinky breaks. You can fit a bus through there. You literally just want to go like that. You actually don't even need to catch a pinky break, and I'll do an angle from the back so you can see. And as you push the card in, you can catch both cards. And I've got a tiny wee little bitty pinky break, and you just flip it over. Okay, and you can do it as many times as you like, but I recommend 3. Don't do any more, because you don't need to oversell the trick. So you push it over, say, look, I'll place it second from the top. Okay, and you just flip it straight away. That's what gives it away, because there's no get ready. It's just a simple flip over like that. And once you're at that point there, you then say, look, I'm going to put the card somewhere near the middle. And what I'm actually doing here is I'm overselling. Well, it's a psychological thing. You're showing that all the cards are red and that there's no blue. So when they do see the blue card, you know, subconsciously they'll think, oh, I didn't see a blue. And so now what you're going to do is you're going to put it face down, and because you got the double backer on the bottom, you're going to do a cut, and I'll expose it there. The double backer with the blue is now going to go on top of the selection, so that when you spread through, you come to the blue double back card. These go to the bottom, and you do the exact same double lift that you did in the beginning. Okay, and as you pull away, because it's red on the other side, you don't see the blue anymore, and that has stayed red. Okay, so I'll do it one more time, right from the beginning. So that should be the double backer there. So from the beginning, let's say we'll choose that same card. Where is it? So catch a break just so we can get it. When they choose a card, what you want to do in the beginning is you want to say, here, look, pick a card. Don't go all the way to the bottom, because you're going to expose that blue card. Okay, so they take one out, they sign their name, and then you say, look, watch this. I'm going to put your card second from the bottom, and with a little snap, I should be able to get it to come back to the top. Look, I'll do it again. I'll slow it down a bit. And you show that it's second from the top, right there, and it's back on the top once again. And then you put it face down and say, look, I'll cut your card somewhere into the middle. So you show the cards again. It's that psychological thing. You then cut it to the middle, another snap, and then you reveal the blue card. And then you use the same double lift. Don't be doing no push off double lifts or anything like that. But if you want to learn, there's a little link there if you want to learn the push off. Yeah, try and use the same double lift, just so that it's all on par, it's all the same throughout the whole routine. So you flip over that card there, I then place it towards the middle, not all the way in. And then from here, I show all the cards and then show the card is also red as well. Okay, so I thought it'd be good to see this routine from the back. So when you're putting the card second from the top, here's the important thing here, all right? You actually want to have the cards flush, okay? So you don't want to have any breaks at this point, and there's no breaks whatsoever until you push the card in. That's when you grab your little pinky break, all right? So once you're at this point here, you just do your double lift, and then you do it again. You say, look, push it over, slide it under there, you square it up, and do your double lift. And then at this point here, you obviously got your double backer on the bottom. You say, look, I'm going to place your cards somewhere in the middle, and you're just literally just showing that they're still red, but subconsciously. And then you cut, and then you've got your blue card right there. And then you do the same double lift that you did before. Now, it doesn't matter, I should say this, it doesn't matter what double lift that you do, as long as you're doing the same double lift the entire time. Okay, and so we flip that card over to reveal their selection. I then place it round about the middle and spread through and say, look, all these cards are red, your one's turned blue. I'm just kidding, that's red as well. And that's the end of the routine. Hope you enjoyed it. Like the video because it's a good one. I'll see you next time.